Hello, my friends. I am the Royal Eagle, also known as Cuatli. I represent power and strength in the Mesoamerican cultures in the central region of Mexico and some countries in Central America. I'm also represented in the Mexican flag. Have you seen me? Today, you will hear the stories of some of my friends. Are there any animals around you now? Which ones? Birds? Butterflies? Cats, maybe? Do you know if animals travel? Where do they go and why? Our story begins like this. Many kinds of animals move from place to place. Some may leave, then return home. They do it alone or in groups. Flying, walking, or swimming, they cross jungles, valleys, oceans, and even entire countries. Their travels may take them weeks or months. Animals big and small travel for different reasons. Some go in search of food, others to escape the cold, and yet others look for places to give birth. This is called migration.
Migration?
And with this, I will introduce you to my friends. Each one will share with you a personal journey.
Hello, I am the monarch butterfly. With my orange and black striped wings, I fly in autumn from the United States and Canada to Mexico. And millions of us nest in pine and oyamel forest to protect ourselves from the cold. We stay in Mexico for months, saving our strength and energy for the long trip back.
Hello, I am a sea turtle. I have a strong shell. I swim from place to place, looking for food in the ocean. I also travel towards beaches where the females bury their eggs in the sand at night. Days later, the hatchlings come out of their nest and the babies crawl to the water. As adults, they will return to the same beach where they hatched.
Hi, I am Hummingbird. I beat my wings at a great speed and only I can fly backwards. I am the smallest bird, and some of us cross large distances over the ocean in autumn. We look for heat, and on our way we visit gardens to eat small insects and drink the nectar from flowers.
Hello, I am a crab. I have long pincers and bulging eyes. I walk slowly to the side. In large groups, we leave our burrows in the jungle and head towards the sea. When we arrive after several weeks, our females lay millions of small eggs in the water.
Hi, I am whale. Look, I have a large tail that comes out of the water as I dive. I make a long journey traveling in pods from the cold oceans of the north to the warm waters of Mexico, where our babies are born. And then, when the young get older, we all travel back to where we began our journey.
Hello, I am an African elephant. We live in Africa. We have large ears and a long trunk. When it stops raining, we move in families or herds from one place to another. We go looking for plants to eat and rivers for drinking and bathing. We travel long distances to survive.
Hi, I am Francisco and I am a human. Some of us migrate or leave our homes, villages, or countries. We choose to do it because we could live better in another place. Sometimes we escape our homes because of changes in nature like hurricanes, earthquakes, or droughts, but also because of wars, violence, or other reasons.